When a key piece of equipment fails or shuts down for maintenance, it can bring a halt to your entire production. Not only that, but calling in maintenance specialists can set you back in your budget and costs. Luckily, with the proper lubrication, you can bypass these costly issues. Lubrication Engineers Lubrication Solutions help keep your equipment running smoothly, preventing downtime and costly repairs. Let's look at some actual scenarios here. With LE lubrication systems in place, the operating hours of this pump were extended by more than 1,500 hours, and it's still running. This saved the plant $38,000 average replacement costs for each pump. Furthermore, it reduced the loss of production by around $210,000. You can find many examples for the cost advantages of an LE lubrication system in several other industries. Let's have a closer look at a metal recycling plant. LE systems can significantly reduce bearing loss, so this particular plant lost just 8 bearings over 6 months while using LE systems. Their estimated bearing loss within this time period was usually around 48. Within this period of time, they saved more than $15,000 in bearing failures. They also gained more than 550 hours of production time, which adds up to a total saving of more than $550,000, with plant downtime costed at $1,000 per hour. The choice is obvious. Let us show you how we can save you time and money. Visit us at lelubricants.com.